I want to eat now. I want to eat now. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I like sleeping late. I like sleeping late. I like working from home. I like working from home. I need to buy food. I need to buy food. I need to pay the bill. I need to pay the bill. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I want to sleep early. I want to sleep early. I like walking in the park. I like walking in the park. I like reading books. I like reading books. I need to make breakfast. I need to make breakfast. I need to call my friend. I need to call my friend. I want to cook dinner. I want to cook dinner. I like eating breakfast early. I like eating breakfast early. I like drinking coffee. I like drinking coffee. I need to eat now. I need to eat now. I need to leave the house. I need to leave the house. I want to travel soon. I want to travel soon. I need to take a shower. I need to take a shower. I need to finish my work. I need to finish my work. I need to water the plants. I need to water the plants. I like drinking tea in the morning. I like drinking tea in the morning. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I want to read the newspaper. I want to read the newspaper. I need to feed my pet. I need to feed my pet. Thank you for learning with me. Subscribe to my channel.